Hi, this is Phil Hartman with PH Fabrication, Horton Race Cars. Just wanted to give you guys a weekly shop update of what's going on. So I was wrong about the 69 Camaro. It's a 67 Camaro. We finished it up last night with getting the roll cage all put in. So on this car, we ended up doing a complete cage, motor mount, transmission mount, and drive shaft loops, and rear shocks. Strange did a really nice job at getting us some smooth body, double adjustable shocks. And we got those mounted up, and it's fully adjustable down on the rear end so we can change ride height. Now, along with the roll cage, you can see it's X in the back. The door bars and the seat bar and the dash bar are just tacked in. This way the customer can remove it and put the floor in easier. And you can see that everything up there is gusseted and actually turned out really, really nice. The roll cage ties into the body mount, and it's mounted in 4 locations right now. Now we'll tie it together a little bit more once the customer puts the tubs in. And you can see the motor mount. So it's an older Hurst style motor mount on the front. Then we did a full mid plate. And then you can see the transmission mount is all tubular bolt in, so that way that you can take it in and out from the top or the bottom, however the floor works and the tunnel works. But also, we don't just work on hot rods. You occasionally get the old trailer hitch in. So this customer didn't want the hitch to float anymore, so we ended up making boxing plates and welded it all up. And he ended up putting a nicer hitch in his truck, and it allows it to float and not need this style to, not this that part of the hitch to float. So hopefully it stiffens up his trailer like he wants, and it'll be good to go. Over here on the Land Speed car, I think in the last video I had the exhaust finished. Haven't had a whole lot of time on it since we've been trying to get the Camaro out. The customer came up this week and really went over some good ideas on how we're going to do the escape hatch and the windshield, along with bringing some more parts so we can finish up the water tank and things like that. So the Land Speed car, hopefully it's next week or this weekend to be able to jump on it a little bit, get some good progress going on it this next week, and go from there. You can see the body back here and the windshield. So once we can get that all cut and fitted, and then I'll end up cutting the body, so that way it'll be a little bit smaller to put on the chassis, along with giving us points so that way we can take the body off in separate pieces, and makes it easier for the customer. But I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.